Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of Hasbro's Monopoly brand, a game that has not only entertained millions, but has also left an indelible mark on the gaming industry and popular culture. Launched in the early 20th century, Monopoly quickly became a household name, symbolizing the thrill of real estate investment and the pursuit of wealth. Its iconic gameplay, where players buy, sell, and trade properties, has made it a staple in family game nights and a significant player in the board game market. But Monopoly is more than just a game. It's a cultural phenomenon that reflects societal values and economic principles. From its humble beginnings to its status as a global brand, Monopoly has evolved, adapting to changing times and tastes. However, with the rise of digital gaming and shifting consumer preferences, the brand has faced challenges that have led to both its rise and fall in popularity. In this video, we'll explore the hidden histories of Hasbro and its flagship game, uncovering the stories behind its creation, the controversies it faced, and the innovative strategies that kept it relevant for decades. We'll also discuss how Monopoly has influenced not just the gaming industry, but also our understanding of capitalism and competition. So if you're curious about how a simple board game became a cultural icon and what the future holds for Monopoly, stick around as we unravel the intriguing saga of this beloved brand. The origins of Monopoly. The story of Monopoly begins in the early 1930s with Charles Darrow, an unemployed salesman who sought to create a game that would entertain and distract families during the Great Depression. Inspired by an earlier game called the Landlord's Game, Darrow modified the rules and board layout, introducing iconic elements like properties, houses, and hotels. In 1935, he pitched his creation to Parker Brothers, who initially rejected it. However, after a successful demonstration and a few tweaks, they recognized its potential and agreed to publish it. Upon its release, Monopoly quickly captured the hearts of American families. The game's unique blend of strategy, chance, and competition resonated with players, providing an escape from the harsh realities of the time. Its initial reception was overwhelmingly positive, leading to a surge in popularity that caught even Parker Brothers off guard. Within a year, Monopoly became a commercial success, selling thousands of copies and establishing itself as a must-have game for households across the nation. As the game gained traction, it transitioned from a homemade pastime to a cultural staple. Families began to gather around the Monopoly board, forging connections and creating memories that would last a lifetime. The game's themes of wealth and property ownership struck a chord in a society eager for hope and prosperity, solidifying its place in American culture. By the late 1930s, Monopoly was not just a game. It had become a symbol of the American dream, paving the way for its enduring legacy in homes around the world. The rise of Hasbro. In the mid-1980s, Hasbro, a leading toy and game company, recognized the immense potential of the Monopoly brand and acquired it from Parker Brothers. This strategic decision marked a turning point for Monopoly, as Hasbro implemented innovative marketing strategies that would propel the game to new heights. One of their key moves was to revitalize the brand through aggressive advertising campaigns that highlighted the game's fun and competitive nature. By showcasing families and friends enjoying Monopoly together, Hasbro successfully positioned the game as a staple of social gatherings and family bonding. As Monopoly's popularity soared, Hasbro capitalized on this momentum by introducing a variety of themed editions that appealed to diverse audiences. From classic versions featuring beloved cities to pop culture tie-ins like Star Wars and Disney, these themed editions attracted both new players and loyal fans. The introduction of special editions not only kept the game fresh and exciting, but also allowed Hasbro to tap into different markets, ensuring that Monopoly remained relevant in an ever-evolving gaming landscape. Additionally, Hasbro embraced the digital age by launching Monopoly video games and mobile apps, further expanding its reach. These adaptations allowed fans to enjoy the classic gameplay in new formats, appealing to younger generations who prefer digital entertainment. Through strategic decisions, innovative marketing, and a commitment to evolving the brand, Hasbro transformed Monopoly into a global phenomenon. Its gameplay, centered around buying, selling, and trading properties, mirrors the competitive nature of the free market, making it a reflection of American values and aspirations. This global dominance has ensured that Monopoly remains a household name, captivating players around the world and reinforcing its legacy as one of the most iconic board games in history. Challenges and decline. Despite its storied history and cultural significance, Monopoly has faced significant challenges that have contributed to its decline in popularity over the years. One of the most prominent factors is the rise of digital gaming. As technology advanced, consumers increasingly gravitated toward video games and mobile apps, which offered impressive experiences and instant gratification. This shift in entertainment preferences has made traditional board games, including Monopoly, seem less appealing to younger generations who favor fast-paced interactive gameplay. Additionally, Monopoly has encountered fierce competition from a plethora of other board games and entertainment options. The board game market has exploded with innovative titles that cater to diverse interests and play styles. Games like Catan, Ticket to Ride, and Cards Against Humanity have captured the attention of players, offering fresh mechanics and themes that resonate more with contemporary audiences. This influx of new games has made it challenging for Monopoly to maintain its once dominant position in the market. In response to declining sales and concerns about brand relevance, Hasbro has taken several steps to revitalize Monopoly. The company has embraced innovation by introducing new game formats such as Monopoly Deal and Monopoly Junior, aimed at younger players and families. Additionally, Hasbro is focused on enhancing the digital experience by launching mobile apps and online versions of the game, allowing players to enjoy Monopoly in a modern context. While these efforts have helped to some extent, the challenge remains for Hasbro to adapt Monopoly to an ever-changing entertainment landscape and recapture the hearts of both loyal fans and new players alike. The future of Monopoly. As we look ahead, the future of the Monopoly brand within the gaming industry holds exciting possibilities. To remain relevant in a rapidly evolving market, Hasbro will likely focus on potential innovations and adaptations that cater to modern audiences. This could include integrating augmented reality features that enhance gameplay, allowing players to interact with the game in new and immersive ways. Additionally, creating themed editions that reflect current trends, popular franchises, or social issues that could attract younger players and keep the game fresh. Moreover, the importance of nostalgia cannot be underestimated in maintaining Monopoly's relevance. Many players have fond memories of family game nights spent around the Monopoly board, and this emotional connection can be leveraged to attract both older and newer generations. Hasbro could explore nostalgia-driven marketing campaigns that celebrate the game's rich history while introducing modern twists. By balancing tradition with innovation, Monopoly can continue to resonate with players of all ages, ensuring its place in the gaming industry for years to come. The future of Monopoly is bright, with the potential to evolve while honoring its legacy as a beloved classic. In this video, we've explored the captivating rise and fall narrative of the Monopoly brand, tracing its journey from a humble board game created by Charles Darrow to a cultural icon that has shaped family entertainment for generations. If you enjoyed this exploration of Monopoly's history and its cultural significance, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might appreciate the fascinating stories behind their favorite games. Your support helps us continue to create content that dives deep into the histories of influential brands and their impact on our lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to bringing you more intriguing insights in the future.